In today's video, I am talking all about the Drmtlgy Needle-less Serum. A few months ago, I did reach out to the brand because I had been hearing really good things about this and decided I wanted to go ahead and give it a try. So I did reach out to the brand and they were super kind to send this my way. This was gifted to me, but this is not sponsored, meaning I'm not being paid to make this video. They don't even know that I'm making this video, but I was gifted this. But regardless, opinions are always honest and my own. My goal is really to help you guys with the content that I create. I'm also going to be showing before and after pictures, and I have been using this for 8 weeks, so 2 months. So I'm going to be showing you guys pictures for 2 months results so you guys can really look at the pictures yourself, see if you can personally notice a difference. And then of course I'm also going to give you my overall thoughts and if I think it is worth it. So starting off, this retails for $69, so this is a pricey serum, but when you look at the reviews, this has so many good reviews, and I've just seen a lot of good reviews for it on social media as well, and people seem to really enjoy this. So this comes with 1 fluid ounce, which is your typical amount that normally comes in a serum. What is this really supposed to do? So this is supposed to help with kind of like anti-aging, giving your skin a smoother appearance, helping with like anti-aging, or helping to kind of reduce the look of wrinkles. Anti-aging is kind of an interesting word because I don't know, we're all, if we are blessed to age, that is a good thing. We don't have to be against aging per se, but this is supposed to help with kind of like really like smoothing out the skin and making it so those wrinkles don't develop as much, or helping to reduce the look of them if you are already experiencing wrinkles. That is kind of the whole goal of this product, but it's also supposed to be really hydrating and moisturizing. It's packed with ceramides and peptides. This is said to be a twice-a-day serum that safely targets the appearance of fine lines around the mouth, the eyes, and forehead, while also hydrating the skin to give a radiant glow. It's an advanced formula that helps with signs of aging by strengthening the skin's moisture barrier while improving the look of skin fullness and pore appearance. It is now formulated with their proprietary Serapep technology, which is said to be a revolutionary blend of restorative peptides and ceramides. This is supposed to be good with any other skincare product. It's supposed to be easily like incorporated into whatever skincare regimen that you're already currently doing. And it is said to really absorb quickly into your skin. It's not supposed to be sticky or greasy, and I can definitely say right off the bat, this does not feel sticky or greasy at all. It sinks to the skin really nicely. It feels very hydrating on the skin and definitely gives your skin a really beautiful glow as well. So who exactly is this good for? Obviously, we've already talked about what this is supposed to do, but this is supposed to be good for anybody who wants to target the appearance of fine lines. So anywhere, again, around the mouth, forehead, and eye area. Good for anybody who wants to kind of promote a more youthful appearance, and also good for anyone who wants to improve the appearance in skin's smoothness. They call this a facelift in a bottle. Something also to note about this is that this is supposed to be good for all skin types, and it's supposed to be non-comedogenic as well. I do have acne-prone skin, so that was definitely something that I was looking out for when using this, seeing if this was going to cause breakouts or not. Personally, I don't think that this caused breakouts, but you will see in my before and after pictures that I did have a few breakouts and some dark spots throughout the time of using this. I really do not think that it was because of this. I think it just had to do with I am prone to acne, and I think I was just maybe ate some things that weren't the best for my skin and caused some breakouts. So I really don't think that the breakouts that I got during the time that I was using this were a result of this, because normally I would notice pretty quickly getting breakouts when I start using a new product, if that is what is causing breakouts, and I didn't have that with this. I think it was really related to something that I ate that caused some breakouts, and again, I am prone to acne, but I really do not think that this caused breakouts for me. So I think this is something that will be good for somebody who is maybe prone to acne. I don't think that this will cause breakouts, but of course always do your research, look into ingredients, see if there are any ingredients that maybe you know cause breakouts. That's always something to look into yourself, because you know your skin the best and what ingredients your skin maybe does or doesn't like. Some of the said to be anti-aging ingredients in here are hyaluronic acid, also niacinamide, and again, they do have peptides and ceramides to help with visibly firming and promoting skin regeneration. This is also supposed to be good for sensitive skin. Now I am gonna go ahead and I am going to show you my before and after pictures, but I do want to say keep in mind that you will see dark spots on my skin and some breakouts, and something to note is that this does not claim to help with the dark spots, so don't think that, you know, maybe this wasn't helping with dark spots in my progress photos. You want to mainly focus on looking at, does my skin look smoother? Does my skin look like maybe any of the areas that looked like I had a little bit of wrinkles? I don't have a whole lot of wrinkles. I am 27, so I don't have a whole lot of wrinkles, but I do notice a little bit around like my eye area, a little on the forehead sometimes. But overall, just in the pictures, look out for if you think my skin looks smoother, if you think it helped with kind of reducing any wrinkles that may have been there, and things like that. But don't focus on dark spots or a bunch of redness, and kind of look at also like the hydration of my skin or how moisturized my skin looks, because those are the things that this is supposed to help with. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you my before and after pictures, and then I'm going to let you know all the things that I personally noticed and let you know my overall thoughts on this serum. So those are the before and after pictures. Now, when I was looking at the before and after pictures, I felt like I was having a little bit of a hard time seeing if I could really notice a lot of difference. And I think that had to do with because I was kind of focusing on looking at some of my like post acne marks and, you know, thinking that they don't look like they have reduced in their appearance of how bright they are, but this does not claim to help with post-acne marks or dark spots. This is really only supposed to help with smoothing out the skin or making the skin look more smooth, and also helping with reducing the appearance of wrinkles. Some of the things that I did notice with this is that I really do think that this made my skin feel a lot smoother and also look a lot smoother. And I noticed this probably about a few weeks of using this. I started to notice that my skin was really looking a lot smoother and also feeling a lot smoother. So that is something that I do think is very true about this, is that it does make your skin look and feel a lot smoother. And then I also noticed that my skin seemed to look more plump and firm and just more youthful. Obviously I'm still young, but I do feel like this did help my skin look a bit more youthful and just very like glowy and healthy. So those are the main things that I really noticed with this. Again, I don't have a whole lot of wrinkles right now, so I can't say too much about how it can help with the wrinkles just from my personal experience, because I don't have a whole lot of wrinkles to put to the test with this serum. But overall, I do really like this serum. This is one that I do want to use long term, because I feel like the more that you use this product, you're just going to see even better results. But I am very impressed with how smooth this makes my skin look and feel. It really just makes my skin look very healthy, and I love that this is packed with ceramides and peptides and hyaluronic acid, things that are just going to be really hydrating and moisturizing and just really good for the skin. So I do enjoy this. It is pricey. I wish it was a bit more on the affordable side, but I do really enjoy it, and this is definitely a product that I would consider getting again. I also really like how this feels on the skin. I love that it's not sticky. It feels really lightweight on the skin. It absorbs into the skin really quickly. It doesn't feel tacky. It just feels really nice on the skin and gives your skin kind of that like glass skin, like what's the word, glazed donut type of look when you first apply it. I do really love how it feels. It just feels really lightweight on the skin as well, and it's very nourishing to the skin. So yeah, those are my overall thoughts. Let me know if you guys have any questions in the comments. I'd be happy to answer any questions that you may have. If you are thinking about purchasing this, I do have it linked in the description box below. It is an affiliate link. There's no pressure to use it at all, but if you are planning on purchasing this anyway, it would mean so much if you use my link to help support me and my channel. That would mean so much. But I really hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you did, please let me know by giving me a thumbs up, and if you would like to see even more content from me in the future, I would absolutely love it if you would go ahead and subscribe to my channel. But anyway, thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you for my next video.